Bite, big bite.
Big bite.
Yeah.
Okay.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
My God. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen again. It's me, Sheila Lemon. Hello, hello, hello. And of course, with my husband, today we're going to, me and my husband gonna make a breakfast sandwich, or I don't know what I call that, using with a tortilla. So we have two kinds of tortilla. We have spinach herbs tortilla and the original one. So first we're going to introduce the ingredients that we're going to use. So we have a bacon.
Yep.
And
Well, this is my cue to zoom in. We got
okay,
a bacon.
we have a bacon.
We have
Smashed
Smushed.
avocado.
mushy avocado.
And
And
a
we
scramble egg.
Scramble.
And we have a mix.
Classic
Mexican.
Mexican style.
Yes, cheese, and of
And
course
of course-
we need a tortilla and the original one, and we need a butter. So we're gonna use like a teaspoon of a butter, and we're gonna put in our pan. So we're gonna melt it there while we're waiting to melt that butter. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use a spinach tortilla, and before we're gonna start, we're gonna cut the tortilla over here like that. See, it's cut. And then we're gonna put on the side a scrambled egg and then a bacon. You could do the bacon like this. You could put, it's gonna be enough like that. And then we're gonna do like a four side. We're gonna put a avocado in this side. One more. I like avocado in the sandwich, actually. And then we're gonna put a mixed cheese in this side. So we have four side, right?
Yeah.
We have a four side. Okay, four side. We're gonna fold first over here and fold in the side for the avocado and fold this side. It's a little
Whoa.
okay. Wait for it. Wait for it
It's alright.
because we need to make
You got
more.
too much?
Yeah. No,
No.
we have a little. We need to add that
Some
one.
cut.
Some cut. Okay. So we're gonna fold like that.
Okay.
We're gonna fold like this. See, it's perfect to make it even, and fold like that. See?
Well,
Yeah, it's fine. It's our first time, so we try, and then we're gonna do it the second time.
should we tell them it's our first time?
Yes, this is our first time.
Oh my gosh.
So what we're gonna do? We have butter there, and we need to fry the tortilla. Not longer, like 3 minutes.
3 minutes total or 3 minutes per side?
3 minutes first side.
Okay.
By the butter. And it's a butter. It's very detailed. I don't know. So I guess this one it's already done. See, like that. I like to see that this one gonna kind of brown.
That's because of the butter, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Chocolate brown calls that golden brown delicious.
I'm gonna wait for it. I flip another side again. Because I really want gonna see the tortilla gonna turn to brown a little, not burn. Not burn, but it's a little brown.
It's actually making the camera.
Sorry.
Fine.
There you go. Okay, I guess this is done. And then I just put it there for now. Sorry. We're gonna cut that later because it's still hot. So I'm gonna use this, the original one. Take that one. There you go. Then again, we're gonna put a teaspoon of a butter. There you go. Just focus here.
Yep.
Okay. Now we're gonna put scrambled egg again in this side. Right. Then we're gonna put bacon. That one. That one. Now we're gonna put avocado in this side. There you go. Okay, the cheese.
Good thing we didn't have to cut it.
Yes. And then that one. I think I'm gonna add more bacon because the bacon make it taste good. There you go. And fold this like that.
Should you press it down to that squish?
Yeah. Press it. And this way too. Press it.
That's okay.
It's not even,
This
but
isn't
it's
a
okay.
restaurant. We're not gonna lose our fortune.
Yeah. There you go. So
There
it's
you
gonna
go.
be like this.
Wow. So wait, turn that a little bit.
There you go.
That's the magic input.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's the. Oh my gosh! Look at that.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry this tortilla in the pan, and you could press down. So while we're waiting to our the original tortilla, the white one, so we're gonna cut this, the spinach tortilla. It comes with our sandwich, and we will see. Look at that. Wait for it. Wait for it. And then see, look, Han. Oh, I really want gonna see the melted cheese. I want gonna see the cheese is really melted and a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
So I want gonna see that in the original tortilla one.
Okay.
So this is the spinach. So okay, we could flip it to the other side. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
There you go.
Ah, see?
Oh my
This is
God.
what I want.
You want that?
Yeah, and you could press down this.
Avocado. Put the bacon in there.
It's fine. It's fine. You know, you could eat a fried avocado.
Oh yeah.
And then we're gonna wait. Yeah, it's already melted.
Okay.
So guys, this is done. So we're gonna try to cut this. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. It's like that, and
I can cut it all the way.
I want to see the. See? There you go. It's melted, or it's not melted yet.
It's
Yeah.
getting there. Let it heat. The heat's still there.
Next, he's gonna try the original one.
This is the.
Yeah.
the
Get
tor-
the lots of bacon,
Okay.
avocado. Yeah. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
My gosh. It's my turn.
No.
No?
Oh, here you go.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Straight.
Yep. Cheese isn't as melted as the other, but it's so good.
Well, I'm gonna try the spinach one, guys. This one.
Yeah.
You know what I love in the sandwich? The avocado.
Yeah.
It's really.
Yeah. It's that texture-y, creamy kind of yum yum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Avocado tastes so good with your sandwich.
Now compare it to the original tortilla versus the spinach.
The original one. Look at this one. I like the spinach one.
Yeah.
You like it, Han?
Yep.
Yeah. So anyway, you guys should put this in your home. It really tastes good, and it's a lot of, you know, it tastes good to have breakfast like this. You can make this to your kids and have a fruits, and this is our breakfast, guys. So hopefully that you enjoy watching our breakfast sandwich with tortilla, spinach tortilla, and the original one with for me the highlight of this sandwich is the avocado, because it really tastes good with avocado in your sandwich. It really tastes good, and of course you can have a fruit. It's gonna add healthier to your sandwiches. So there you go, guys. Anyway, thank you so much, and thank you so much to all your support, and to all the members of the Lovely Sisters and ako members sa Lovely Sisters. Thank you so much, and mega love and shout out to everyone, and have a blessed day. Thank you, and please, if you like the way we made our sandwiches, please comment the comment section and push the like button, right hand like, and have a blessed day. Bye, guys. Pag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe to the Lovely Sisters channel, and bye.